We are fishing out here at the Keys. Devin's over there. Say hi, Dad. And what we're gonna be doing today is right, Dad? What? Austin, right over there. And look at that. Now we wait. See if anything. What? Chicken.
It's over here now.
What?
Throw it off?
I threw off the chicken? Oh, god dang it. Threw off the chicken. We're going to actually be, I almost hooked myself. Get some corn. Let's get some corn. And then we're going to just put it right on top. Just right there. And we're just going to just keep adding them corn. Right, Dad? Hmm? Right, we're just keep adding corn.
Yep.
Ow. I hooked myself again. Okay guys, with me, look. We're all casted out. And now we wait. You get them too, bro. I'll believe in you. And we got seaweed. What? Something just jumped? Oh god. Oh god. Ow. It's stuck. Oh, there it goes. Got it better now? Yeah, I'm recording. Just kidding. What?
Are you?
Yeah, I am. Then you want to say anything to our viewers, the 78 viewers?
Well, here's a real good story.
Out again. Now we're going to be seeing if there's going to be any bites over there. Who's doing the worm? The worm is doing the worm. Right there. And Dad is right there. No, it's Devin's? No, it's Dad's.
What?
I'm right here.
Oh. Sounds like a county.
I wanted to shout out to Noah, Starbucks. You make the best coffee. All right.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Starbucks though, if you want to be sponsored. Almost caught a fish.
I'm not usually.
Devin almost caught a fish. He like sunk it and then he just rolled it out. That's what happened. This is how you fish in VR. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there goes Dad.
Dad's not on his game tonight.
Oh, he lost it.
It's my worm too.
All right, guys.
What's up, Mom?
Cast out number 3. Devin.
You got it, Devin. You got it. You got it.
Oh. Devin keeps getting a bite, but there's no bite. Trying to be one of those people, you know. We see their pole a lot. What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't know. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Gotta readjust. Cut 2. Back up here with Devin.
What's up?
And we're gonna be casting that way.
What? Oh my god, man.
The bobber disappeared.
Let it go.
Oh god, I think it got too heavy.
Weight on there.
Too much weight. And Pepsi time. Shark music. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. What's up, guys? I'm on my mini bike. See this? Wow. Oh. Uh-oh. No, that's cool. Look at that.
You recording?
Yeah. Yeah, throttle. Yeah. Woo! I did a 360. Oh, look at that. If Dad caught a fish yet. Oh God. Oh God. Ah. Hey. Uh-oh. So many bumps. Any luck? What? You caught it right now? You caught it right now? Damn it! What this is DYUS2. So let's go. It's off-road and capabilities is A-okay. A-okay. But it's a lot of bumpy. Oh, because of those small tires. Small tires. Yeah. It's great for short distances. Oh God. There's so much sand. It doesn't do good in sand. That's one thing. But it does do good on all terrain. It is very windy now. Feels like a fall day in the shade. Dad is still fishing, and I am still riding. Yeah. Pepsi break. Not sponsored. Yay! Oh, we already saw this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to Devon and skid. Show you the skidding capabilities. See that? Skidding capabilities. Yeah! So an update, we haven't caught anything yet on camera. Off camera, that man over there caught 2 fish, but we weren't here, so.
Oh, come on.
Devin almost caught another fish, but he didn't. I was explaining it. There's a fish. There's a fish.
There we go.
There's a fish.
There we go.
There's a fish, guys.
And it feels like,
Like
a blue
Let's see what it is.
mountain fish.
A blue fish.
A white fish.
Yeah, I got seaweed and a fish. Ooh.
What is the white fish?
Oh, she would you dish. Oh, it's a whitefish. Nice.
There we go.
Yeah. Whitefish. Let's see.
Okay.
Haha. First one. Look at that.
Hold that, Corey. I'm gonna throw him back out.
Nice. Yeah, he's hooked through the lip. He's slimy too. Ew. Blech. That's a good sized fish. So what we do with this fish is we throw it back out and a bigger fish eats that fish.
Wait.
And they got...
Then take off. Wait.
Okay.
Scooby Doo it, Dad.
So basically, he is going to be food for bass, wide mouth bass. So just watch. We may get a bass.
You didn't even cast it that far, remember?
Yeah. And he's down.
Where did my bobber go?
Oh, there he goes. All right, guys. If we catch a bass, we'll catch it on film. Right, Dad?
Yeah.
Right, Dad?
Yep.
Yeah. Dad didn't lose a fish, but it's going under. Oh, Dad. Bass are crazy. All right, Dad's casting out again. Can't speak. Casting out. See if he, in it. That's chasing the fish now. I don't know if you can see it,
They're chasing them right now.
but let's hopefully get to him. Come on, get it.
I'm fighting with it right
Let's
now.
go.
There's two right there, Corey. See it?
Oh yeah. I'm ready to catch it.
Right there. Corey now.
Okay, it's going towards me. Oh, you see them right there? I don't know if you can actually see them, but you can see
You
them
lost your fish.
over there. Oh, no, you didn't. Look at those night kayakers. Now that is cool.
You don't care about the word?
So guys, well, seems like, yep. Seems like they were chasing it, but then they disappeared.
That's over there, Corey.
But look at this moon. The moon is that huge thing over the ridge. Is that a moon? Or is that a space station?
Look at them all.
I have no idea. The great moon.
Corey.
Yes.
Look.
What? Oh, God.
They're all right there.
Where?
Right here, look.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Damn. We're so close. But I think that's going to be it for this video. We did a lot today. We did a lot.
Should they come back?
But just like that moon says, good night, and hope you enjoy that popcorn and coffee. Catch you on the next one. Bye.
Look, they're all right here now.